Hi, the weather is great today, and without having a chance to tidy up the house, I decided to head to Repulse Bay. Since autumn has arrived, I wanted to experience the feeling of summer again before winter comes. Perhaps due to global warming and Hong Kong's relatively equatorial location, sometimes it's still as hot as summer during noontime. We drove along the Repulse Bay Road, and the scenery along the way was stunning, offering a view of the urban landscape in the southern part of the city. Luckily, we quickly found a parking space. This is the famous Repulse Bay Beach, and there aren't many people today. Let's come back for a swim in the summer. The Pulse is a small shopping mall near the beach. And we decided to have lunch at Limewood, a barbecue restaurant here. They have a diverse selection of tacos, and they taste great. We really enjoy Western food and never get tired of it. After lunch, a perfect meal isn't complete without some dessert. Ice cream is always the best choice for kids. Since autumn is passing quickly and winter is approaching, I'll take advantage of the free time to plant tulips that thrive in winter, hoping for a good harvest during the winter. My little angel is helping again. Let's also water the other potted plants while we're at it. Today, let's make a simple and refreshing dessert. Otherwise, we'll have to wait until summer to enjoy it. Adding ice keeps it cool. These are different flavored konjac pearls. They make perfect colors, and along with cooled sweet taro balls, providing a satisfying texture. The mint leaves can finally be put to use. How nice it is. Oh, I almost forgot the sweetened water. I really like this dessert that looks like a rainbow.